All right, so I walked through the exotics. I've walked through a lot of the showcase cars. So let's see what else is out here. So right here is a airplane. This is for flight training. It's rear engine. I've never seen this before. Check this out. So it's got a carbon fiber propeller. I didn't know they made this. Carbon fiber propeller, carbon fiber exhaust. It's really cool. So it's a two-seater airplane. So I guess for training purposes. I've never seen an airplane like this where the fuselage is like low like this and then comes back up. It's kind of cool. Look at this. This is a light sport aircraft. There you go.
The company's been around.
Flight stick there. Got some gauges. Airspeed, altitude. Really cool. Let's see, what do we have here? We got a Corvette. You got a Lamborghini Gallardo. You got a Maserati. Yo, is that a Supra? Yo, you got a Toyota racing hat on the inside. Look at that. Oh man. Oh, it's all chromed out. You got the 2JZ right here. Let's see, exposed cam gears, you know, because that's totally not a good idea. What else? What else do we have? Jeez. Let's see, stock manifold. We got a. This almost looks like it's the stock twin turbos, but they're just all the parts are polished instead of that ugly cast. And it looks a lot better. Real nice, real nice. Front. It's got the front leather bra. Of course, I'm not a big fan of it, but I like the Super logo on the top. So there you go. Let's move on out. Hey, here's Eric's Kia Stinger, and this is Eric's model. There you go. So, where's Eric? Oh, there he is. Is he selling? So Eric has a shop, Vaughn Wraps. He does wraps, customizations, all kinds of cool stuff. So check that out if you're in Florida. What else? Has he done anything to the Stinger yet? It's mostly stock under here. Just a tune intake. Yes. Oh, he's got an intake now. Cool. Got twin intakes.
540.
What?
Went up to 540.
540 horsepower? Holy crap. This is fast. I gotta drive this thing because I drove it stock. I gotta drive it modified now.
Get one.
Yeah, I'll get with Eric. We'll figure something out.
I might get one.
Ooh, you're gonna get one? There you go. This thing is fun. What's in the back? Oh, he's on air. That's right. He's on air now. Look at that air system. Hey, Eric.
How are you?
Dude, yeah, let me drive your car when you get a chance.
Yeah, once I get the tune back on it, I'm more than happy to.
Rock and roll. He's actually running some of my fittings and hoses on the car for some of the fuel system parts, so that's pretty cool. So nice. Alright, so we're at the Superior Street Syndicate setup. So it's run by Jeff over at Superior Tint and Wraps, and let's see what they've got going on. So you got a supercharged seat. Right, bone stock, I'm sure. Put that right there. Alright, so they're doing like a little BMX stunt thing over there, but I want to check out the cars. So we got an NA Miata Sleepy Eye mod with a hard top. We have a, it's interesting. It's a Toyota, no, Honda Odyssey minivan, all like, oh, this is pretty nifty. What else we got? Let's see. Ego Boost Mustang with red wheels. I'm not a big fan of the wheels, to be honest. I think body color matching wheels are kind of weird looking. So we got classic Monte Carlos. All right, so we're at the Jupiter Jeep Club section. This is actually the very end of the show, but we got some nice Jeep Wranglers out here.
Samani, how's it going, bro?
What's up, dude? What else we got? A lot of nice Jeeps out here, and oh, there's more. So it keeps going on. I thought, okay, that street was just blocked off. This keeps going, and I think this is the furthest I've seen it go. I think last year it didn't go down this far. Wow, yeah, you know what? I really don't remember the show going down this far, and it's literally just all Jeeps, like all the way down. And there's even like there's a freaking stage down there. There you go. There's a stage right there. So. This is all Jeeps and all trucks. This is cool. Alright guys, so I'm here at the VIP somewhere in there. They got 2 tacos. She asked beef, chicken, or pork. I'm like, this is gonna be everything. And they went all out. They went all out. All right, we got 3 Ford GTs here. There's 2 Acura NSXs down there. Actually, no, there's like 4. There's a whole booth just for the NSX from Acura. Oh, that's pretty cool. But over here you got 3 Ford GTs. This one is Billy Johnson's car, so he's the driver of the number 68 race car in Europe. This is my buddy Brian's car. And I haven't met the owner of this car, but this is a beautiful color. It's, I believe this color is magnetic gray, same color as on the Mustang. And it's got this orange double racing stripe. And I'm trying to tell, it's difficult to tell if it's in the paint, if it's painted in, or if it's a vinyl sticker. You know what? I think, yeah, I think on the Ford GT, the stripes are painted in. And the stripes that are actually painted first, and then they lay down tape and they paint the gray color. So that's pretty unique. That's pretty cool. Normally it's just like they paint the car and then they stripe it up, or they paint the car and then paint the stripes. So it's pretty unique. And over here you can see the titanium exhaust turning blue. Oh, it's a North Carolina car. There you go. All right, boys and girls, show's winding down, so I'm gonna be heading back to the Tahoe and heading home. So thank you for watching, and I'll catch you guys later. See ya. Bye.